Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Aham Gaswapara unit inspects deplorable state of Khuborjylla Government LP School. Investigation launched following looting incident in Myanmar West Khasi district. Mega ExServicemen Rally in Tura addresses veterans' concern. And successful food fest raises funds for Sinjuk Kikanthai Balang Catholic Nongpo Parish. And now the news in detail. In a recent visit, the Aham Gaswapara unit, led by Aham CEB Headquarter Tura General Secretary Clinton R. Marak, uncovered the dire conditions of Khuborjylla Government Lower Primary School. Shockingly, the school has been teacherless for nearly 3 years, leading to a significant rise in student dropouts and vacant classroom. The school lacks essential infrastructure, including classrooms and proper facilities. This dire situation poses a substantial challenge to both students and teachers, adversely impacting the education of impoverished villagers in the region and exposing the systemic failures in administrative processes in rural areas. Addressing these issues is of utmost urgency to ensure that every student can access quality education. The Aham unit calls upon the relevant authorities to swiftly intervene, rectify the situation and provide the essential resources and support required for the school's revival.
May ba na sa din sa sing KG dunga 1 dunga 2 dunga 3 dunga 4 dunga 5 dunga sakjaw hari ni sakjaw pattabel Shillong ne achhe kura nigi bishung ga sakjaw department na ya raja gini kolgre sa kolgre kuni ke patan kala kuni raja gini kuni kala kuni kala kuni unja kuni sa raja gini sibre pura ga an kolgre sa sibre na ma mang bishung ni ta khe ka du jok mo golmen ni militiriya jam tonde khubor na ma niat ken rakit ken ram khata da kana chu
니록 기자 만사대 지시크는 상원의 니록자 미성
기차랑 거리 이번 주 My name is Clinton R. Marak. I'm a General Secretary of Achik Holistic Awakening Movement, Aham CB Headquarter Tura. Today we inspect the Khuborjylla Government LP School, which is located under Gasopara Block area, South Garo Hills District. And we found that Khuborjylla LP School has been left with more than 3 years, I think 3 years without teacher. And some of the villagers inform us that this school has been abandoned almost 4 years. So sorry to say that teachers should be attentive, active, regular and not an administrative burden, because this kind of negligence are demoralizing the students as well as parents, and actually it stops the full villagers students' future. Therefore, I'd like to request the Honorable Education Minister Sri Rakam Sangma, Deputy Commissioner of South Garo Hills District, Sri Sivans Awasti, as well as District School Inspector to look into this matter as much as possible, because we wanted to see the infrastructure, institution infrastructure development in every corner of the district, which truly reflects the quality of teaching and learning in every schools, whether the institutions or schools are from the rural area or urban area. And furthermore, I'd like to request or urge each and every one of the Meghalaya citizens, especially the grown-up youngsters and parents, please raise your voice in such kind of issues and problems, because we cannot get change or improve until and unless we seek for help. Therefore, raise your voice in such kind of issues, fight for the justice and support the administrative. Thank you.
In the aftermath of the looting incident on December 11th in Myanmar West Khasi Hills district involving 2 teachers from Rangsaphara Secondary School, law enforcement has taken swift action. On December 12th, the West Khasi Hills District Police, in collaboration with the Crime Scene Unit and the K9 Dog Squad, descended upon Myanmar to commence a thorough investigation. The unfortunate incident occurred as the 2 teachers were travelling on a motorbike from Nongstoin to Rangsaphara. They were ambushed, resulting in the tragic death of T.R. Sangma, 48, at the scene, while S. Chetri, 49, sustained severe injuries. The police promptly removed the deceased T.R. Sangma for a post-mortem examination, aiming to gather crucial evidence for their ongoing investigation. The West Khasi Hills District Police Force remains actively engaged in a manhunt to apprehend the perpetrators responsible for this heinous act.
और थोड़ा उधर भी
Sir of Rangsaphara Deficit UP School and Sri Thangthon Arsangma has been my colleague for the past 10 years or so, and he has been a very nice person, adjustable, social, and it was only yesterday that we have received an information at around 5 that someone from my area has been brutally murdered on his way back home from Nongstoin, and on inquiring it was found that he was one of my colleagues, and then immediately we made necessary arrangements to come here with the relatives, with the family members, and so on. And talking about Sri Thangthon Arsangma, he has been, as I have said, very social, understanding, and he comes from a very respectable background. And I don't think he has got any enmity that has forced him to fall into this kind of situation. That is all I can say about it.
Any suspect?
No, we don't have any suspicion also.
Headquarters 101 Area Indian Army, in collaboration with the Raja Sainik Board Meghalaya, orchestrated a mega ex-servicemen ESM rally in Tura, garnering participation from veterans, Veer Naris and dignitaries. MP Srimati Agatha K. Sangma graced the event as chief guest and commended efforts to minimize pension-related issues for Meghalaya's ex-servicemen. Colonel Gautam Rai, Director of Raja Sainik Board Meghalaya, emphasized the rally's purpose to alleviate challenges faced by ex-servicemen in Garo Hills. The rally featured unit-run canteen counters, medical camps and grievance cell addressing diverse issues through ECHS, Zilla Sainik Board and ICICI. Sparsh and initiative by the Ministry of Defence received attention to aligning with the government's Digital India vision for efficient pension administration. Notable attendees included senior armed forces officers and civil dignitaries. In a strategic move to generate funds for their ongoing activities, the Sinjuk Kikanthai Balang Catholic Nongpok Parish orchestrated a triumphant food fest on December 12 at St. Paul's High Secondary School in Nongpok. The event and annual affair attracted not only locals from the parish but also enthusiastic participants from collaborating sub-districts, adding a diverse array of culinary delights to the festivities. Stella Lamare, the president of the Sengkanthay Balang Catholic Nongpo Parish, shared insights into the event's success. She conveyed that the proceeds from the food fest would be equitably distributed among all participating sub-districts, underscoring a collective commitment to supporting diverse communities. Lamare expressed her heartfelt gratitude to the local communities and sub-districts whose active participation and contributions played pivotal roles in making the fest a resounding success.
Kamu pasif dah lah alun. Alun nak. Tidak. Kamu berapa pasif kau kejum deh. Kau kejum orang yang betul. Tapi nanti kamu apa? Kalau biar kajim pakai. Kau tahu mah? Ni angin yuk. So kani ka program jungi kadi kasin kabasan ba kisin nong po parish ni organize kani programan usnem hakakat antarik di December hakaba ki balang Shillong laki sob district bat na kaliang to parish iwan bandi yakini ki chur ki chep ki jan ki nep nang tap di ki jingbam tenrai ka bakila shed hada kilong kumi jungi ki chur ki chep ki so ki pairu ki dei ki bala donate hada kilong kumi jungi na ki yeng ki sem jong ki bahap apo kanang po parish kunjur ki jan tekani ka fon ka ba mi nang ne pade ki balang Shillong ki yo benta ki sob district di ki yo benta kunjur ngakaliang jong ka parish ru ni yo benta bat kani ka fon ka bangiyo nang ni gila bentelun ki kam jungi ha ba di kam sil.
In a thrilling encounter on December 12, the NEHU football team from Janta Hills faced a tough defeat at the hands of Peerless FC from Kolkata in the Invitation Knockout Football Tournament organized by the New Nongstoin Sports, Social and Cultural Club. Despite an initial dominance by the NEHU team, Peerless FC managed to secure victory with a final score of 2-0. The Kolkata-based team displayed resilience, scoring 2 crucial goals and effectively preventing any retaliation from their competitors. Satya Mana, the goalkeeper of Peerless FC, emerged as the hero of the match, earning the well-deserved title of Man of the Match. The triumph for Peerless FC adds excitement to the ongoing tournament and establishes them as a formidable force in the competition.
Lerai berkentai roh. Berkentai boleh lerai.
On December 12, the Sengkanthay Jayau Langsning marked the culmination of its Golden Jubilee celebration with a splendid event. Established in 1971, the organization has been a cornerstone in fostering community bonds and social welfare. The celebratory gathering was graced by esteemed dignitaries including the Minister of Social Welfare Paul Lingdo and MLA Maukanrao Bantedor Lingdo among others. Their presence added significance to the occasion, recognizing the decades of dedicated service by Sengkanthay Jayau Langsning. The jubilant program featured various activities and attendees witnessed the distribution of awards and prizes to the deserving winners of diverse competitions held throughout the celebration.
Kenrai jong jingkerni jong drug addiction Shillong jogi wat apa kun Samla kentai lu di kadai ka benda ka jongi bangin up bangin hap pan ai kadi addiction counseling inne lupa shwa ban prevent ban yada shwa bakanja ban ya ka bangin up bagi kun Samla ki jongi ngin let's say lagi rehab center ndang ladap counseling ini sedang lupa ke situation kalong very grim very bad kablong begini lek kai larung syaki kendong kensuat jong ki snong nong kendong ki jongi kebang ngimla ban perkhat bakalong umda ngin hab sim khiap hai kani namar lada pi ekran yagi kam jongi kum kinong lampai ba bapai mga ipat ba berbor kiwan ki ong ai surok ai footpath ai nala bat ka syongkun syong blai pada padang ki jingker khu bobon setap jong blai ayang hang ni nak benta hiladi nak benta jong ba bantai dor lingdo pat nak benta hidup kos jerwa kongsan bat ki sembut kongsan pan penpra apeng jong pi apeng ki nong kit kam naru president pat baro ki khot jong ka Sengkanthay Jayau Langsning ba kani ka jingrak hi golden jubilee kaya ksiar jong ka Sengkanthay Jayau Langsning kalapoi syakabakut menta ka khat atrik no pra arajar atulai blame don kat pi bro kulisur.
In a recent statement, Ling Sangma, the Congress leader and chief whip of the opposition, revealed that the party has not reached a decision regarding the candidate for the Tura parliamentary seat in the upcoming MP elections. Speaking to the media, Ling conveyed that the party is yet to finalize the candidate and the location of their president, leaving uncertainties about whether the nominee will hail from Tura, Shillong or represent the entire state. When questioned about his personal intentions to stand as a candidate, Ling responded passively, stating that he has no comments at the moment due to his busy schedule monitoring the party's activities. The lack of clarity adds an element of anticipation as the Congress navigates its candidate selection process for the crucial Tura parliamentary seat. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.